guys, I'm going to explain the three uncommonly used Filipino words. So the first word is San Sinokob. It refers to the whole entirety of space and time including planet and stars. Halimbawa, ang San Sinokob na kinalalagyan natin ay punong-puno ng mga bituin. The second word is pasamada. It is a paste of gel used with a toothpaste to maintain the health of the teeth. Halimbawa, pumunta si Maria sa isang tindahan para bumili ng pasamada. And the third word is bambobolas. The act of hurting someone, play especially both force or emotionally with insults. Halimbawa, madalas ko itong makikita sa eskwelahan.